Okay, Mr. Vu, here's your model, and here's my model. And yeah, so there's a little bit of difference here. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the back view because that's the way it's oriented on the drawing on the website. So we're going to go instead of the front view, we're going to go to the back view, and with yours, we're going to go to the back view too. So you can see right away a little bit of a change. When it comes to my drawing, my sketch, my right plane is over here on the left-hand side, as it would be on the drawing on the website. So we're starting over here, looking at the back, and this is progressing to the right from the back view. So you got to consider that. So if we take a look at yours is actually progressing from the back view, or progressing off to the left side. So not quite right. And your back plane, or your right plane, is actually over here on the right hand side rather than the left hand side. So you kind of have the similar form of the hammer, but it's not quite. The planes aren't quite in the right location. So yeah, and your profiles in those planes probably aren't as good as they could be either. So if that's the case, this should be 1.75 in regard to the distance here. I don't know what that says, 1.75, so that's correct, but it's going off in the wrong direction. So how do you fix that? What's the easiest way to fix it? Well, you need to get all these planes on this side. So you might want to right click on that, go to that plane, and this time we're going to flip it. We're going to put it on the other side. And now it's not going to show up, so we're going to do that to each one of these planes. And when we finally get the last plane in place, then everything will show up again because we got this thing all mixed up. So we're kind of going back and forth between all the different profiles here. But once we get that last plane in here and the profile that's on that plane in place, then it's going to go ahead and correct itself. So now we should get it back, and let's take a look at what we have here. So let's go ahead and take a look at the back view here, which is what you have. Let's take a look at my back view. So now you have your hammer backwards. So here's my guy. End of the hammer is over here on the left hand side, front to back view. And your end of the hammer is over here on the right hand side, but the planes are in the right place. So now you need to make sure you put planes in the correct location. That's 1.75, so that's good. And then this one, as it should be 4 inches. So all your planes in the right location. You just don't have the right profiles in your planes. So let's go back to maybe your profile number 2. Where's your profile number 1? Oh, okay, this is it. So there's your right profile. And what you want to do now that you're looking in the back view over here, which is on the drawing, is put in these correct values. So it should be 110 high and 140 wide. So let's go ahead and spin that around. It should be 140 and 110. If you do that all the way down the line, you'll begin to see the hammer transition from what it is right now to what it should be. So I think that'll help you.